Hey everyone, Xiaomi has expanded its lineup of urban mobility solutions in Europe with the release of the electric scooter 5 Plus, a model designed to strike a balance between performance, comfort, and practicality. Europe's walkable cities are a natural fit for compact EVs, and the new scooter highlights how Xiaomi is trying to meet the growing demand for convenient, eco-friendly transportation. Positioned between the 5 Pro and 5 Max models, the 5 Plus aims to deliver a strong mix of range, ride quality, and modern features without pushing the price too far into premium territory. At the core of the electric scooter 5 Plus is a 900-watt motor that provides enough power for urban commutes while keeping within European speed regulations. It achieves a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, or about 16 miles per hour, which is standard for most EU-approved e-scooters. More impressively, the motor's torque allows it to climb gradients up to 20%, giving it an edge in hilly environments where weaker scooters struggle. The battery pack is another highlight. With a capacity of 477.4 watt-hours, Xiaomi claims the 5 Plus can cover up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, translating to around 37 miles. This range positions the scooter as a reliable daily driver for commuting and leisure rides alike, offering peace of mind for users who don't want to recharge frequently. Riders can also tailor their experience through 3 distinct riding modes: pedestrian mode capped at 6 kilometers per hour, standard mode limited to 15 kilometers per hour, and sport mode unlocking the top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. This versatility makes the scooter equally suitable for crowded pedestrian areas, relaxed cruising, or faster commutes. Ride comfort has clearly been given more attention in the 5 Plus. A front shock absorber works together with large 12-inch tubeless tires to smooth out rough surfaces, making cobblestones, curbs, and uneven pavements less of a concern. The scooter's deck has also been widened, and the handlebars raised compared to its siblings, creating a more stable platform and a better fit for taller riders. Safety and control are reinforced by a dual braking system, traction control, and intelligent lighting that includes both a headlight and responsive brake lights. The scooter also integrates smart functionality via Bluetooth, with the companion app unlocking additional features such as ride statistics, battery management, and customizable settings. In terms of portability, the electric scooter 5 Plus tips the scales at around 26.6 kilograms. While not the lightest in its class, it remains manageable for short lifts or storing indoors. The weight reflects the balance between durability, larger tires, and the substantial battery capacity. Priced at €549, the 5 Plus has already launched in France and Italy, with availability in countries like the Netherlands, Spain, and Germany set to follow soon. Its placement between the Pro and Max models gives buyers an option that combines long range with improved ride comfort without committing to the higher-end pricing of the Max. Overall, the Xiaomi electric scooter 5 Plus feels like a well-rounded upgrade for riders looking for more power, comfort, and features than entry-level scooters can provide, while still keeping the price reasonable. With a solid range, a capable motor, enhanced ergonomics, and a thoughtful set of safety and smart features, it is an attractive choice for European commuters who want practicality and reliability in one package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.